got a thought. She be with this shit. She told me where he be. I say for sure. Baby, let me know if you wanna eat. She like, Vaughn, you already know.
Because Bella, taking your Bella. And she is about to go to sleep. Y'all, it's been such a peaceful day. I'm still trying to recover. Got me something to drink. Where you going, girl? Hey. Like, this is the best. I'm telling you, you want to be super smooth. You want to be glowing after you get out the shower. You want to feel like you were in a spa. Sweet sugar, y'all. Sweet sugar. This is my favorite. I love this one. This is my absolute favorite. It be having me feel like I am at a whole spa in that shower. Y'all, my God, the feeling of the exfoliation. My body feels so good. I needed that shower. Exfoliate, you guys. Okay, exfoliate. SBXo.
Takes place from 1 p.m. to 8 p.m. at MLK Park. Join the RWIFO for a day filled with vibrant music, delicious Caribbean cuisine, and captivating cultural performance. That's CariFest 2024, August 10th at MLK Park, featuring Serrani, Poompa, Derek Barnett, and The Statements, many more. Get your tickets at carifest2024.eventbrite.com while they last. Be there.
I won't be there. I'm traumatized. No, ma'am. Grand Rising, you guys. Oh my God, I need to breathe. Like, listen, we getting this skin together, okay? We are getting this fucking skin together. Fuck, this fucking skin together. Fuck. Okay, I wanted to show you guys something. Hold on, y'all. Look who else deals with this. Like, I always have like one. Look at that. One that always comes out. This one is all the way out. Just look how stinking cute she is. So this is her body wrap that I don't remember who bought it for us, but it was her body wrap, her baby wrap, and I just cut it and I made us some wraps so we can ever have them. Now she wants to take it off, but she looks so cute. Okay. We better do some content. Me and Gabby are about to go out in our backyard and do some content. So come on, let's get dressed. Or actually, I'm already dressed. Let's do something to this face. I've already exfoliated and I already have my glow on. Okay. Look at that pretty girl. Say hi. Hi. See. Me and Gabby put on our little, I don't even know what to call these wraps, our body wraps that I created. I'm such a damn, like, I just can't help but to create. It's just in me. But I am just outside in the nature, in my garden. Well, not my garden, but my mother-in-law's garden. Me and Gabby are all natural hair right now. I literally threw on a red lip and I was like, you know what? let me get some content in my backyard with my body scrubs, because I am, you know, getting better with promoting my brand. So you guys, here is the all natural exfoliant. Okay, this is called the Sweet Sugar Body Scrub. It is from SBXo. Okay, this is amazing for after you get at the pool in the summertime. This is amazing for if you just want to exfoliate your body for some self-care. Listen, this is the best. All natural all natural ingredients such as sweet almond oil, sunflower oil, grapeseed oil. Can't speak highly enough of my body scrubs. Like, they have changed my children's life and my husband's life. Literally, my husband and my children suffer from bad eczema, so this body scrub, and as well as the coffee one, really cured their eczema spots up. So if your baby is suffering from eczema, this is a good way to clear up their skin if they just start exfoliating. Now, the good thing about my scrubs is my scrubs are edible, especially the Sweet Sugar. So if your child is eating it, it's okay. There are no chemicals, there are no toxic anything in my body scrub. Come on, come here. Come here, baby. Put your hand. Yay. See the other hand. Hey guys, so I am at Walmart. Oh, something's in my eye. I just got done. Alright, we're headed into Walmart, and yes, I'm in this because my knee is fucked up. You know, running for my life, it was very difficult. They have